No, hang on.
I was talking to him.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. I have your hand in him.
Oh. Okay, buddy, here. Tucker, get down. No, Brayden, we put the spoon in your mouth, not your hand. The spoon goes in. Here.
Is it going down or out? That's the question. That was pretty good.
At the moment.
Do you like that, buddy?
He's like, I don't know.
He had the bath this morning, but maybe it should have been tonight.
Here. A little bit more. Hold on, your hands don't work in the mouth. Here, let's take.
He's like, I love my hands.
Let's take the hand out, and we'll put the spoon in. Here. We're trying to train. Okay. Yeah. He's like, what is this stuff?
Do you love it? Do you love it? I think he's swallowing it, which is good.
I guess so. Oh, let's put this down. Okay, we'll try another bite. We're doing small bites to start. Buddy, we're doing small bites for a little man. Come on, sit up straight. Okay. Hold on, let go of the spoon.
He's already wanting to do it himself. Good boy. Oops.
Oh, there goes the hand in it. And we got a lot on the bib, maybe not quite as much in the mouth.
He's getting it.
There, he sucks some off.
Yay! Well, it's not all on his bib, so he's obviously taking some.
He's getting it in there. There's a little bit on the hand, though. Okay, you ready? Oh. I kind of got all over the top of the mouth.
Yay!
There, he's swallowing. I hear him swallow, though. It's all over the bib, though, because it's getting all over his hand. I think he's like, I don't know what to think about all this.
Maybe you're gonna sleep longer through the night.
He got it all over here.
Good
I
job,
use this top lip
buddy.
to kind of wipe it off a little bit.
Yeah. Good
Put
job.
it in the mouth. Oops, let's keep the hand out. Okay, you want to try it?